Whereas if you're in the luxury real estate market, they're like, yeah, whatever, man. Throw a hot water tank in there. We got stuff to do, right? Who cares? It's $800. Let's go over and do this, right? They're not worried about it because mo money does not equal mo problems. As a matter of fact, money fixes all of your problems, not only for you, but for your clients as well. Hey, it's Greg Luther here, and listen, today we're going to do a little bit of real estate agent math, and I think you're really going to enjoy this because there's some common misconceptions out there. As a matter of fact, if you look back in history, one of the great philosophers and poets, also known as Notorious B.I.G., gave us a math problem here, and what he told us was that mo money equals mo problems. And as it turns out, particularly for us as real estate agents, that's exactly wrong. As a matter of fact, less money equals mo problems. Do you agree? So what I want to talk to you about today is how that relates to real estate and really the clients that you're picking up. I mean, if you think about it, I look back over the years of me working with different buyers and sellers and that type of thing, low end, middle of the road, or median price range, all the way up into that luxury market, which a lot of you know all the stuff we're doing in the luxury market now. Trust me when I tell you, less money equals mo problems. As a matter of fact, that lower price range, below your median price range, they always have to beat you up on commission. It's not that they don't like you. It's not even that you're not good. You know what the problem is? They have no money to give you. If you can put the deal together and we get it in contract and we get to the inspection period and the hot water tank's getting ready to blow up, it's devastating. They don't have the money. The buyer doesn't have the money. The buyer says, well, I don't want to buy a house if it already needs a bunch of work. And now the buyer's agent and the seller's agent are trying to split the... There's just no money there. Whereas if you're in the luxury real estate market, they're like, yeah, whatever, man. Throw a hot water tank in there. We got stuff to do, right? Who cares? It's $800. Let's go over and do this, right? They're not worried about it because mo money does not equal mo problems. As a matter of fact, money fixes all of your problems, not only for you, but for your clients as well. I can't tell you how many times we've had a luxury transaction all around the country. I work with agents that are doing luxury deals, and the buyers will say, wow, we really love that house, and you know, the $2.4 million seems okay as price, but we wish we had an in-ground pool. Well, we'll put a freaking in-ground pool in. It's 20 grand, who cares? The fact is, as you move up the price range, they are least affected by economic issues, least affected by recession, least affected by price. They don't care about price. They pay $5,000 for a purse. They pay $110,000 for a car. Price is secondary to the quality, the service, the way that those things make them feel when they wear it, have it, use it, whatever. They could all use E-Trade and buy stocks for $7. No, they use a stockbroker that charges them $3,000 for the exact same trade. By the way, you know what that is? That's a broker fee. Same thing as what you charge. So I want to encourage you to start working in that higher end price range, working with luxury level clients. Now, I'm not talking about $20 million homes or real expensive homes, but if you take the median price range, so let's say this is crazy high price, this is low price, this is middle of the road, I want you to be right in this range here. I want you to be, if this is the median price range in your area, what if you just go double the median price range? I'm not talking about a $20 million house that's never going to sell. But if you're working with a buyer, they're selling their current home at the median price range, you want that listing, it's going to sell in a week, and they're moving up to the lower level luxury homes, now you're making more money. And let me tell you, more money equals less problems for you as a real estate agent. I'm actually doing a training on this. We've had a lot of requests about this coming up, about how do I get into the luxury market? How do I work with luxury clients, buyers or sellers, when there's a couple of agents in my marketplace that already work luxury? Yeah, well, there's like 10,000 agents that work the lower end. I don't know why agents are always worried about, well, there's 5 agents that just own the luxury market. No, they don't. And I can actually prove that to you. What we're doing is on Thursday, I'm doing a training webinar. You can buy into it if you'd like. It's the low cost of $0. So let me give you the website, by the way. I wrote it down because I figured I'd probably forget it here. LuxuryAgentWorkshop.com. If you go there, what you can do is take out your invisible credit card, swipe it in front of your computer, enter your real email address, and for the low price of $0, you are registered to watch exactly how we're doing this. I'm going to show you case studies. I'm going to show you exactly what agents are doing, the ads they use, the scripts they use, how they compete when the seller says, have you sold any deals in this price range? I'm going to show you all that on luxuryagentworkshop.com. Now, there's a little problem with this if you use Internet Explorer trying to get registered for this. I know this because I use Internet Explorer myself. I consider myself an old person these days. We're all stuck on Internet Explorer, right? If you go there, it's going to say we can't find the website. I have no idea why it does it. I don't understand technology. I just know how to sell luxury houses. All you got to do is hit that little refresh button. You know that little arrow at the top? I think it kind of looks like that. You can hit the refresh button and it will pop up automatically. I don't know what the hell's wrong with it. It's Internet Explorer, and I didn't create the internet. Our good friend Al Gore created the internet, and this is one of the little mistakes he created for us. So anyway, get registered at luxuryagentworkshop.com. Again, if you're on Explorer, the damn site doesn't come up. Just hit the refresh button that it comes up. Our webinar will be awesome on Thursday. We're going to show you how you can get yourself more money, which means you will have less problems. I want you to start working a little bit higher price range as a real estate agent and talk a little bit about what we need to do on the buy side and on the sell side to pick up those buyers and sellers that are desirable, that have some money to pay you, and that willingly pay for premium products and services. Obviously what we're trying to provide. So I want to show you all that on Thursday's training. Get registered. It is a one-time event. I'm not doing it again. There's not going to be a recording available for you. You can't get it later. If you got an appointment, sorry, you miss out on it. You're just going to have less money. If you can rearrange that appointment, you can be there Thursday. I'm doing it at 2 o'clock Eastern, which is 11 Pacific. So get yourself registered. You'll see all the details on that website. Get yourself registered and join us on Thursday. Again, luxuryagentworkshop.com. I'm Greg Luther. We'll talk to you soon, and bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and listen, we've got a lot more information for you to help you with growing your real estate business. We load new videos nearly every day, and I want you to have access. So you got to do two important things. It's both totally free. Number one, I want you to subscribe to this channel. You'll see the little subscribe button for you to click. If you don't have an account with YouTube, set it up. It's totally free. You got to subscribe to this channel. And the most important factor, you got to ring the bell. Right next to that subscribe button, you'll see a little bell to turn on notifications. That will let you know every time I load a new money-making video to help you with growing your real estate business. Subscribe and make sure you ring the bell. We'll see you in the next video.